So it all always depends a little bit on your product. B2B is usually a longer sales cycle, a more complicated, more expensive product. And so you really, at some point, you're going to have a phone call. You're going to have a demo. It may never require an in-person visit, but you're definitely going to have a few phone calls with all the stakeholders. And I think one of the things that we have to remember is that nobody really likes to be sold to all the time.
Yeah.
And if you can get the customer's attention enough, let's say they downloaded some of your content, or let's say they found you via SEO on a term and they got to your website and looked up something, and then they were contacted by, the business development team and eventually sales. So you start to have that conversation with them, and then, hopefully get them to agree to have a meeting sooner rather than later. And one of our salespeople was talking about this the other day and reminded us that really on a first call with a customer, don't talk about your solution. Ask them, like, what is it that you are trying to achieve? What are your problems? What are the things that you really need to figure out? And they may find out after 15 minutes, you know what? We're not going to be the right fit for you.
Yeah.
Or we might find out, hey, there might be something here. And maybe we can, show you a little bit more about what we do. But I feel that there is so much urgency and so much competition that people just want to sort of, two things that I see, either slam the customer on the head with something before they're even ready for it.
Right.
Or B, try kind of tricky things to get their attention, which doesn't work.
Yeah.
So I'm always about be straightforward, no matter how you contact somebody, whether it's on a call, whether it's on email. I don't want to have to decipher your email. Just be quick and clear. I don't really care that that I went to UC Santa Barbara. I mean, at the end of the day, like, it doesn't really matter. Everybody just wants to get their problem solved and make things easier and good in front of their boss. So I believe that we have to get back to more of a conversational, let's just get on the same page. How can we help you kind of framework before a customer really wants to hear about what you do.